What if the world's most prized commodity was a bird? Welcome to the Canary Islands in the 16th century, where the humble canary bird ignited an economic frenzy. These vibrant songbirds, native to the islands, captivated Europe's aristocracy, leading to an unprecedented surge in demand. Breeders on the islands held a monopoly, and prices soared as nobles and wealthy merchants competed to own these exotic pets. The canary trade became so lucrative that it spurred espionage, with rival countries attempting to smuggle breeding pairs to break the monopoly. Then, in a twist of fate, a shipwreck off the Italian coast released a flock of canaries, leading to their proliferation across Europe. Prices plummeted overnight, and the once thriving canary traders faced financial ruin. This feathered frenzy serves as a fascinating, lesser-known example of how a seemingly trivial commodity can drive economic chaos.